demo session. Okay, so this is today, and your sessions will start from Monday onwards. So today is demo class. So in this session I will explain about what are the prerequisites to join this course, and what are you going to learn in this course. This is another point. And the third one is what are you going to learn, and where you start this course and how. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll explain about this. So if every one of you able to see my screen and able to hear me, so and if you are good to go ahead and start, I can start now. You can respond on the charting window, say yes. Okay, like this I will cover. Okay, so all of you able to see my screen and able to hear me? Hope so. So if anyone not able to hear me, please reconnect. Please reconnect the meeting quickly so that you will not be missing anything. Okay, and all of you know about me, I believe. Okay, I believe those who all have connected here, I think you know about me. And here you go now. See, my name is Harsha, and so I have around 14 years of experience, and I'm teaching since past 13 years this Pega and all. So here at Harsha Trainings, we have Pega training, okay, from basics to advanced level, so which will cover both CSA and CSSA. All will be covered in this course. Okay, I mean, like basics to advanced level course is there, so which will cover both CSA and CSSA. So starting from basic level of application creation to till the last sessions of build and deployment, everything, build and deployment, all that. Okay, so complete course. So that is practical oriented course which we are conducting. And I hope you many of you are already aware that there are many students of Harsha Trainings working on Pega projects in today's market. Okay, so wherever you go to any company, any projects, definitely our students will be there in that team for sure. Okay, and even students in the sense, not only junior employees, your managers, group account managers also will be there as our students. Okay, so here you are going to opt for the course of advanced level of training. So what is Pega Advanced Training and what is it going to cover? And before I tell you about this, if you have any doubts or any questions, you can post here on the charting window. Otherwise, I will get back to you and ask you, okay, about if you have any doubts or any questions. Okay, and what is Pega Advanced Training? Okay, this training is going to cover the practical oriented and scenario based, that is scenario based hands-on training. So which will cover the topics from email integrations, simply speaking integrations, that is email integration, and one declarative rule also will come here, that is declare trigger, because as per the scenario based things it is coming here. Anyhow, you can learn this. Okay, declare trigger and normal web integrations like web services. What will be covered? Web services, SOAP as a service plus connector, okay, exception handling, okay, and simulations and authentication. Okay, if possible I'll cover that. And similarly REST also. Okay, service plus connector, all this. Okay, and that is through data page will be covered. Data page, I mean like REST service. Here itself it will be coming. It's not like data page I will be teaching from the, so calling from D page, calling from D page. Okay, and this is calling from activity. So we are trying to learn different ways of calling. That's why different rules I'm introducing here. Okay, and file. Okay, for this listeners, email integration also I have to write. Outbound email integration, outbound email integration, sending to multiple emails, and along with trigger also will come into that. And inbound email integration, inbound email integration to create work objects in Pega, to create work objects in Pega. This will be done automatically, that is automatically. So here email listener will be covered, email listener plus service email will be covered, service email will be covered. And next here you go, file listener. Okay, listeners and service file, parse rules will be covered. And moreover, the next one, file with respect to service, with respect to service. And after this file listener, anyhow, at the very beginning itself, I can also write down here, not here, file listener above. Admin studio will be covered. And after file service and all, here we can go ahead with agents, that is advanced standard. Okay, it is in detail explanation, not simply like a program and all. I mean like project and simple requirement like that. And job scheduler plus queue processor, how these are different. Okay, this one will be covered. Practical oriented, everything will be practical plus in-depth explanation about queue processor is main thing. Job scheduler anyhow it's a top level. Okay, complete design, that is complete design oriented, design level I will explain it. Okay, next after this is also over, and next build and deployment will be covered. Build and deployment will be covered. So for writing the topics and all, it may look like 6 to 7 topics, but for working on each of these, it will take 2 to 3 days. I mean like not 2 days, I think 3 to 4 days it will take for each of these. So it will take time. Maybe for writing it is like 6 to 7 topics only, but to practically work on in all the ways, it will take 1 month to complete all of this. And there are topics like branching, okay, production rule set plus skimming plus delegation. Okay, this will be covered. What else is there? External database integration. I forgot this. How come I forgot? External database integration plus I will also tell you stored procedure, how to deal with stored procedure. Okay, stored procedure calling also I'll be making it part of this course. Not only simply database integration and do one thing, how to write stored procedure, how to call stored procedure from Pega, all that will help you to showcase your knowledge to the next level. And here also there will be authentication part. Okay, so these are the main topics. There may be small topics that also be part of this or maybe additional to this. And I will tell you application architecture also. Application architecture. Okay, like this will be covered. So anyone has any query about or any doubt about this content, the content which I have written here? Do you have any doubt about this content, any queries on this content? You can ask me now. You can unmute and ask me, or you can post the question here on the chatting window. It's better you get clarified today itself, because from Monday itself our sessions will begin. You will have to directly join. It's not like a regular training. We will allow you a few days. So if you are looking to learn all this, the main problem is many students or many employees, those who are working on Pega, they don't know all this practically from the scratch. So we'll be teaching all this from the scratch practically. So that's why I'm saying, you have any questions, you ask me now itself in this. If you don't have any questions, then I will further proceed to say other things.
Yeah,
You
sir,
must
Roshan
have
here.
questions.
Yeah, Harsha,
Yes,
can I?
please.
Yeah, this is
Nisha
regarding.
and another person. First, Nisha, go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah. This is for advanced. Just can you just give me a gist for the basic Pega? What are the topics in hand we can know?
See, other than this, all are basics only. I mean to say, like, basics means like classes, sections, flow actions, harness rules, okay, properties, and flows, case types, okay, parent and child case types, and moreover, I'll tell you, hold on. Like declarative rules, decision rules, okay, except a trigger, remaining all are there in the basic level. And what else is there? Report definition rules, report definition join. Okay, these are all basic level actually. Okay, and routing SLA. These are basic level, and these are the advanced level of course. And what I will be doing is, see, I will be giving you one project. I will be giving you one product file which has all basic rules implemented. Basic rules implemented. Okay, and that you need to deploy in your system. You will not start from fresh PRPC installation. Even though you install PRPC freshly, you have to install the product file which I am going to give you, where it has the implementation related to things like all basic things like routing, SLAs, I mean like data pages, declarative rules, decision rules, and other basics things that you deploy and start implementing advanced on the same project. You will not be creating from the scratch, because it is an advanced level training. Whatever that is already implemented up to basic level, I will be giving you. You will be having, you will have to deploy it and start working on that. Okay, that's how it will be.
Activity and flow actions come in the basic level only, right?
Activities will come as part of this now. Activities will come as part of this. See, if you want me to write that also, I'll write. Simply I did not write because I'll not be teaching what is activity, how to use activity and all. Activity will come part of this. All of this activity will come where we use methods like obj open, okay, and obj save. These methods will be used. I will not explain about these methods. What is obj save, what is defer queue, okay, what is commit with error handling, what is right now. Those are all basic things using these methods in this concepts. So these concepts will be taught to you from zero. Okay, so the email integration, outbound, inbound, okay, these will be covered from zero. It means I will start from zero of all these topics and tell you. I'll not tell you starting from zero onwards about activity, because activity is an instance of class rule obj activity. Activity contains series of steps where we can use method, what is method, how to use expression builder. This will not be covered in advanced training. So advanced training is going to cover advanced level of topics from the basic onwards, but basic topics of Pega will be reused in the advanced training. Just like that, we will go and write the methods and all in the activity. Understand? So that if you are going to fully focus, you will be able to learn it better. Okay, Nisha, are you clear? Nisha, are you there?
Yeah, it's clear, Harsha. Thank you.
Okay, another person, someone was trying to ask a question.
Yeah, Harsha. Actually, Harsha, I was from this 602 batch where I learned this services, web services, and integration. So, what is the
You don't
difference
need this
between the?
training.
Okay,
You
okay,
don't need this training. Okay, of
okay,
course we are adding a little bit into it. Okay, you don't need. Generally this training is needed for those who did not take the course from us. Okay, or
okay,
maybe you
okay,
have taken class 1 year 2 years back, you forgot these advanced topics, then you may have to join. If you're already working
okay, okay.
employee, this will help you. Okay, for those who recently
Yeah, I'm
finished
working.
our course, this is not at all.
Okay, Harsha.
Okay, so outside students, please ask if you have any doubts in so far.
Yeah, hi Harsha. I'm from 571 batch.
Okay.
And I'm already working on Pega, and I want to improve on many topics, and also I want to clear CSSA certification by my own. So,
Hmm.
and I also had some details about the post training program, which is another batch that's going on. I want to know the
Yes,
difference
correct.
between this and that, and what will be the most
Post
suitable.
training is post training. This will not be taught at all. Nothing will be taught. Post training is directly giving you project and asking you to do everything. If at all you are stucking anywhere, we'll help you like your team lead. Okay, or tech lead. And apart from that, we will get you prepared for the interviews, interview topics, interview question and answers. All that we will explain. Okay, in depth. That's what post training is. Post
I
training
see.
is for those who are already aware of integrations, practical, hands-on, everyone, everything you know here, all this, then you can go for post training. If you do not know this, post training will not help you. I'll talk about it once again. Someone else was trying to ask the question. Who was that?
Hi Harsha, this is Minhaj.
Yes, please.
Yeah, my question is like log files and Excel file upload and processing. Are these topics
Sorry.
being covered in this course?
Excel file will be covered. Correct, correct, correct. I did not remember that. Excel file uploading and processing.
Mm,
Okay, log files will be covered. Correct. I told you, na, there are, even though I miss it here, that will come as part of the course. Log files will be covered. Okay, log level settings, all that will logging, all that will be covered here. Correct. Thanks for reminding.
thank you.
Hi Harsha.
Yes, please.
Harsha myself Akhil, like I'm currently working with Pega.
Can you please
In,
come closer to your mic and speak little bit loud?
yeah, Harsha, is it audible?
Yes, even more loud.
Okay, myself Akhil, I'm currently working with Pega technology only, and
Okay.
and I completed my CSSA certificate, but I know the basic
Okay.
concepts of like how the fresher
Okay.
will be having. So the main reason for showing interest to this program is like I know the conceptual knowledge on everything, but practically even I try also like I will always face struggle to
You are
develop
not
or
able to
to
implement the basic level also. I mean, like you're not able to implement declare index. You're not able to implement declare expression on change. That and all you're not able to do.
yes Harsha, like with the self
If you're
learning I
not able
was
to do that, yes, yes. If you're not able to do that, you need to opt for the regular course. Okay,
okay.
I mean like basic course onwards. That's a better thing because so this training will not tell you about declarative rules implementation and all. Okay, this is for
Okay,
something advanced level. If you have knowledge on know about the things but you're not able to implement that declare on change, declare index, declare expression, this and all, you have to join our course from basic level onwards. That will help you a lot.
okay. And like the main purpose of showing interest towards this course is like mainly I am facing difficulties in integration in our projects. Like I know
Ah,
the concepts of all the integrations, but I was not able to understand how each rules are calling, how where and everywhere
so
like the things are working.
I'll tell you. In that
So
perspective, this will help you 100%.
so like what I am expecting is like after joining this course, can I able to self debug everything like what is happening and
Yes, yes.
where how the things are
Yes,
working?
you will be able to understand the connectivity between each and every, that flow of web services, everything clearly you will be able to understand.
Yeah. The only reason is like not only creating from the scratch, but also existing rules also I can understand, right?
You should be able to. Because
Yeah.
if you learn the forward engineering, reverse engineering is up to you, right?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, if you know the forward engineering, reverse engineering is how much time you spend on it, that depends on you. But you will be able to connect it back. You will be able to troubleshoot to understand everything.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, other resources, anyone has any other doubts or questions? Okay, so then what is this course will be covering? I told you. Okay, and the next one is I'm going to tell you about like look at here. Who will be eligible to learn this course? Who will be eligible to learn this course? See, as I was mentioning already, you should have basic knowledge of Pega. Okay, it's not about you're certified or not. I don't care about your certification, but you should know activities, you should know data transforms, you should know data page, and you should know about other things, decision rules, something like this. If you already know, then you will be able to learn here in the advanced training. We will be reusing all those here during the practicals and all. Okay. And after this course, once you finish the, okay, during the course, I will tell you, during the course, okay, you will be having screening interviews. So screening interview, your performance will be calculated. Okay, your performance will be calculated. Okay, and so if you are performing good up to the mark, okay, 6 out of 10, that means you will be eligible for another program called post training program. So this is project oriented, whatever we are going to do, advanced training. And in the post training program, once again, one more project we will give you, and we will guide you how to implement it. And we will take interview questions and answers with explanation in depth. The type of sessions will be conducted. Okay, this training will have again fees. Okay, but actually those who are going to join, the fees of this training, I will tell you, the fees of this training usually 20,000. Listen to me carefully. Okay, see, those who are going to opt for our regular Pega training from basics to advanced, okay, in that, good performers will get post training as free of cost, they will be getting. This is one thing. Post training is not something like a training oriented. You will have to, like, it will be like more or less like how you work in your project, real time, how you'll work the same way. Okay, and additionally we will give you interview level training. And next thing, then what about this intermediate candidate? Advanced training candidates are intermediate candidates. These are like intermediate. So these people will have to pay if they want to choose. Okay, see, but remember one thing, it's not mandatory that one should have to join the post training, because this training itself will give you enough knowledge. Then what is post training? Post training will boost your confidence level, and for you guys in the post training there may be charges of around 10,000 rupees, like that. Okay, because you are coming as an intermediate. If you join a regular training course, then there is no fees for post training. Those who come from outside, those who do not join our regular course or post training, regular course or advanced training, you're not part of regular course, you're not part of advanced course, then the students from outside, they are joining the post training by paying 20,000. And if you are part of our advanced training, like you are an intermediate candidate, then you will have to definitely pay for post training, which is not really mandatory. But with the regular training what we have here for advanced and all, definitely you will be able to crack interviews if you are really practicing to the level whatever that we teach you. But if you want your confidence level to be boosted further, okay, that you should be put in a state of I can crack any interview. If your confidence level is low, and to boost it, then you have to choose this post training program. Okay, so that's not mandatory, but that's up to you. Okay, for our regular students, that is free of cost. Actually, after the training, that will be free of cost. Okay, I mean, like, based on their interview performance, again, if you are not able to learn anything in Pega, I mean, like, you're not learning Pega up to the mark, then post training will not help you at all. Post training is for those who are already knowledgeable up to some extent. Okay, 6 out of 10. Okay, so this is about another point which I would like to cover here. So this advanced training, what is it going to help you? Advanced training will help the candidates. It will help the candidates who has idea about basics but don't know about advanced topics which I have mentioned above. Okay, advanced topics. See, many employees of Pega are struggling. They are working, but even though 3 plus 4 plus, everywhere wherever you go, they will ask in interview about integrations part only. 3 plus 4 plus, they are struggling like anything to crack interviews. To crack interviews, because every interview will have questions on integrations, agents, listeners, all this, authentication, authorization, all this. Then you are not able to do it. Even though you are working for 3 to 4 years, you are not getting chance to work on these things or learn this advanced level of course. That's why this has been kept. And after this course, you don't need to worry. You will be able to crack interviews with confidence. You will be cracking interviews with confidence for sure. Okay, so that's what, just you need to put some extra efforts learning this course. Understand? Clear? So if you are a candidate like 1 year experience, 2 year experience, or maybe you are a candidate who has already got training from other institutes but where you did not get the knowledge, okay, then you guys will have to fully focus on this advanced training, which enables you to be a full-fledged Pega developer of almost everything in Pega. Okay, so here I will have to add one more thing called security. Okay, security, role based access control, attribute based access control. Okay, these will also be covered in this advanced level course. That's what I told. If I forget 1 or 2 topics, no problem, that will come as part of the course. And those who are going to join this, who wanted to join this advanced training, you should start joining from Monday onwards. From Monday onwards, timings will be 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day, same timings. There will not be any change for this batch. And you will be, as I told you, you will be an intermediate student here who will be joining, okay, so intermediate student, you will be added into existing running batch, existing running regular batch. So you will not have any disturbance. Okay, but only thing is, we will give you the product file of what is completed so far. The product file you take and deploy, and login ID and all we will tell you after you deploy. So from Monday onwards, you can start working on this. You can start attending this. Okay, so those who are going to join this training program, only those will be given the product file and all. Okay, so that is the process. So this training will not give you 2 to 3 demos or 4 demos like a regular classes, because you already know Pega. You are joining advanced training, you know basics, and you are joining advanced training. You will not be given demo classes and all. So you'll directly enroll and join. Definitely result will be there for sure. You see, maybe you are struggling since past 1 year or 2 years to learn these things and all. So in a regular development process in your project, you have an enthusiasm to learn these advanced concepts and all, but the problem is you will not be able to learn it by self. That's why you need a helper. We are the helpers, and we will help you. Just to spend this 1 month 5 days or 1 month 10 days, you need not to worry further in your career about Pega for sure. Okay, so far any questions? Do you have any questions so far?
So this will be Monday to Friday?
Monday to Friday, yes, correct. Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. Monday to Friday, India time, IST. Okay, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. India time, IST, it will be done.
Any other time slots available apart from this for morning or
Yes,
evening?
see, our regular batches, when it reaches completing the basic concepts, that time we will add. See, we have timing 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, even 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and even 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. like that. But this time, like from Monday onwards, the slot that is available for advanced concepts is 9 to 10. So if you are going to wait for 1 month, like 20 days like that further, you may get slot for earlier time zone, like 9 o'clock time zone you might be getting. 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7 to 8 you might be getting. Okay, that if you wait for some time, 7 to 8 you will be getting. Okay, if you want to start now, 9 to 10 you have the slot available.
Okay, thanks, Harsha.
Okay, and yes, do you have any further questions? Any one of you have?
Yeah, Harsha will be giving after completion. Do we get any certificate or completion?
Course completion for advanced level, if you want us to give, we can give you, but that is of no use. We will give you, but Pega wise, you need to do official certifications, right? Course completion, if you are asking me, I will give you, no issues.
Okay, Harsha.
Fees for advanced course and all, you are looking for what is the fees for this, go ahead and talk to them. Okay, 9652532753, and attending this course, definitely your struggle to learn Pega completely will end. This course will end your struggle of learning full Pega. You might be struggling so far, that will be end after this. You have to reach out to admin for any questions on fees payments and all. Next, other students. Anyone has any questions? Because it's not like a regular training. I don't need to tell you what is BPM, what is Pega, what is workflow, that and all I don't need to tell you. This is what I just wanted to let you know and give you information about the advanced training. And we will show you job opportunities as well as part of this course. Whenever we get opportunities, we will let you know. At present, for 3.5 to 5, 3.5 to 5, but this is work from office only, that is for Bangalore location. If anyone is available, okay, you can apply. I will refer you to the company. It's not I will refer you, we are processing for our client only. First screening we will take and then we will process to the client.
Okay, yeah, I have two questions, Harsha.
Yes, please go ahead.
One is, yeah, can you please share these course contents as a index or so?
This
Whatever you
document I
have.
will send you.
Yeah, yeah.
This document oops. Okay, I will share you this document. See, anyone who want this content, you do this. You have this number, right? Save this number in your phone right away and mention your name, and please share advanced Pega. So Pega advanced course content. This is what you need to do. So you guys save this number right away and mention your name. Please share Pega advanced course content. I will ask them to share you this what I have typed here, so that they will share you. Every day you will get recordings. Thank you for reminding. Every day you get recording. You get recording session. Okay, where you will be having access to it to watch. You cannot download, and this will be there like after course is completed. Let's say course is completed today. From today to till next to 2 months it will be there. 2 months it will be there. Access will be there for next to 2 months. That means not from day one you join the session. From the day end you complete the training, you will have additional 2 more months to become perfect and redo it. And not only this, you will have documents with screenshots. So you can refer this for lifetime. For lifetime it will help you for sure. There is no doubt about it. For lifetime it will help you. Okay, thanks for reminding that. It's not that simply. Even if you are going to miss a class for 1 day, there is no problem. You will have recording added into your drive and access will be there. You can watch it later time on the same day. That will be a good idea to practice and finish everything on time on the same day. Recordings will be given actually. Yes. Means overall how many months you are getting recording access? Nearly you are getting recording access of almost 3 months, 1 week to 2 weeks you are getting access to it. From day one onwards, 3 months, 2 weeks, 3.5 months, or 3 months, 1 week you are getting Okay, that's not a big deal for 1 week and all. But our intention behind this is we want you to learn parallelly. It's not that you attend the training and leave it and you wanted to learn later, then join later on. Not now. You want to attend today's class and you want to practice today and finish, come back tomorrow. Attend tomorrow's class, finish on the same day and come back day after tomorrow. Just to revise on weekend or sometime later. That's the intention. If you are joining today and you want to practice after 5 months, 6 months and all, don't join now, join after 5 months only. Yes, please. Someone was trying to ask a question.
Yeah, sure. About the CSSA certification. So, let's say I finish this course. I'm already have taken course in 571, complete coaching.
CSS certification, we will help you to clear it. You don't worry about it. Certifications button, you leave it. You will get the knowledge to work on any project for sure. Certification is a little tricky. We will let you know, no worries. We will make sure you pass the exam and you clear the exam. Okay. But you just contact back us about the same. We will guide you accordingly. Next. Anyone else has any other questions or doubts?
Coding and all, we need not be involved in the coding.
Coding will not be there. You know already Pega, or you are just
Yeah.
beginner?
No. I am aware of Pega. I worked on it, but I worked on 5.5 version actually. So
But I think this training, do you think it will help you?
yeah.
You know basics like declarative rules, decisions, implementation.
Yes.
If you are aware of those basics, this will help you for sure. I just wanted to make sure that you are not going to waste your time and money. That's why I was pointing like that. So it's better, instead of joining this, it's better you can join basic course onwards. Not in your case, just I'm asking in that sense. If you know basics, then this will help you for sure. Okay, you'll be able to write the activities and all. You'll be able to understand it. Not a big deal.
Harsha?
Any other questions? Yes.
Yeah, sure. Like you are mainly like whatever conversation happened, you mainly focused on declarative index and declarative rules. Like, is it like, can I know like other than declarative rules, anything mandatory you are expecting? Because I'm having knowledge on data transforms, activity sections, flows.
See, I'll
Or
tell you. Activities, data transform, declarative rules, decision rules. Okay, and basics, flows, case states, that and all, you know. Then this will
yes.
help you. This content only you are going to learn.
Okay. So like you are mainly focusing on declarative index and placement. So I never got opportunity to work. Even only I can learn that and I can continue with this, right? Because I know activities, all the basics test on.
If you know basics, activities and all, this training you will
Yes.
be able to do. Actually, declarative rules we don't need to much bother about here, because none of the declarative rules will come into picture here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But that is part of basic. I just wanted to mention that that's part of our basic course. That will not be covered here.
Okay.
Okay. So any other questions anyone else has? I'll repeat again. Save this number, mention your name, and please share Pega advanced course content. Okay, so we will send you right away. If you want to join from Monday onwards, you should have to decide now itself, and you should have to talk to our admin and enroll and join from Monday. If you are joining like Tuesday or Thursday onwards, you don't join this course. You wait for the next upcoming batch, because missing 1 day here, you will not be able to understand anything, because this is pretty much connected. Everything here is connected. 1 day if you miss, don't join this course. Join again from next time when it starts. Okay, it will take time to start, like 25 days like that. This course will not help you, Revant. You have to focus on post training. If you are 596 batch and if you are looking forward to be confident, join post training. Call them and ask for the post training course. Okay, ask them post training. Okay, so fine. If you are good to go ahead, I am going to wind up for today. And if you don't have any other questions, finally I am going to check back once again with you. Do you have any questions? Post training number I will give you. Hold on. Post training number. Okay, you ping me. You ping me, I'll give you post training number. You ping here, they will give you post training number, and you can go ahead. Message them on WhatsApp, they'll give you. Okay. So if you're good to proceed, immediately contact our admin team further by WhatsApp. You mention your name and send this message. They will further take it forward and make you part of this team. And you don't need to struggle further to think about anything in Pega or to worry about anything in Pega. Okay. Thank you.